create a list of phrases that you want to be found for on the internet. So in the case of myself, I have a school assembly program, and I want to be found for, say, anti-bullying school assembly elementary. I've done some research, okay, and I've found that I want to be found for these. Obviously, I'm already being found because I'm already using the software. So you can see that I'm being found for these specific keyword searches. So I know these are working out for me. This is a process. You can continually try to work on getting the best information for yourself, the best keyword sets. It's just trial and error, but basically these are the ones I feel I need to be ranking for. So you're going to go ahead and do that. So as you can see in my list, I have created a list that have, say, I think I have 20 here, or close to 20 keyword phrases that I have. So now we're going to enter them into the system. So what you need to do next is we have a tool here with 4 rows. And you're going to take your words that you have and add them into the system as best you can. So if I go here, right, and I say I want to add anti-bullying, okay, and I want to put it into part 1. So I push anti-bullying, all right, and elementary. It's going to go into here, and school assemblies is going to go into row number 3 because that's my service. And in California, usually the location will go in the 4th one. I'm going to do that right here. So then we're going to hit save and add that. So mine's already got them added, so it's not going to add them. But you continue to break these things up into different keyword sets, and they're going to continually be added. So if you only have a keyword that's going to fit here, but not one right here, then just leave it empty. Same vice versa here. If you have one here, you want to leave that empty, you can still hit save. And it's just going to add the words accordingly down here. So as you can see up here, I have the word school assembly several times, okay? It's in here a good amount of time, all right? So it's only going to add it to the system once, depending on where it's at. So every row can only have the keyword once. So if you add it, it's only going to add it once. So do not worry about that. It only needs to be in there once. So this looks like a lot of keywords, but once you break it down into the sections, it'll probably be about 50% of the words that actually get entered into our system. So continue to do this for all your phrases, and they'll add them down here. Do not worry about the rows that they're in or anything that they're showing there. That's not something you can worry about. So that's how we do adding the keywords.